Everyone, just a quick vlog, really, I suppose. Why not, eh? Just getting used to all this system and setup and using my wicked little Blue Yeti mic. And note to self, don't grab the mic while you try to record. You will hear this thud. Anyway, just wanted to double check something as well. I'm sure I did another video where I was doing explaining things on the screen, and I'm not sure if it recorded the screen. Anyway, so it should be doing it now, and I'll check later. And it was just a quick video just showing a little kind of workflow and an observation insofar as like a couple of things, Facebook messages and stuff. So I've set up a Facebook page and for business and a Facebook group for the same business. And I'll be doing a few others as well for different types of businesses, which I'm interested in and I enjoy. And then following that up with opt-in funnels and so on, and designing them, and just basically recording all the process. So few things I'm learning along the way is that, and it's going to be so cool to see because I've got no members. I've got two, but it's me testing it. So just set them both up, and I'll just zip on here. And yeah, while I remember, ChatGPT is awesome for so many things. And I'll show you this now, actually, whilst I recall this. Let's just have a look. So, yeah, so here's my little chat. I've got to create a shortcut button for this so that I can get on with like the loop deck, maybe get a screen deck, maybe get another loop deck, have a few of them so you can just bang, bang, bang. But it's kind of forcing me to be really kind of fluid. And I've just been watching a guy who's Muay Thai coach and has got his own gym and everything by the looks of it. I've yet to speak with him, but I'm hoping to because really interesting person by all the things which is involved with kind of on the same par. And yeah, the chat, let's just see. Oh, okay. Try and get it again. Okay, log in. Yeah, come on, chat. Just log us in. It was logged in a minute ago. Anyway, so I'm using chat for quite a few things. So I wanted to do a Facebook post and things. Oh, that's happening in my life now. And when you go live and you do things live, doesn't it all screw up at times? And you think, oh my days, let's just see. Names, maybe that one. Yeah, there it is. Perfect. Right. So if we just move myself out of the way for a moment, just put myself up here. One thing I do like about Zoom is like when you click, you can have this highlighted. I think you can do that with Camtasia and so on. The only downside with Zoom is it's so good with so many things, but the uploading to YouTube, I think the resolution changes. So with chat, just check this out. So I wanted to did a video 40 odd minutes long just explaining my design process for a simple logo. I'd say simple logos, it's not really simple when you go down to the nitty gritty of it. All the thought and the energy behind it and so on is like takes time, and creativity and everything. So create these logos and other things, but then I asked it for social calendars, created it, Facebook posts, created it, and all this for different things. And I wanted to just kind of just try and do things on the fly. So, not scripted and so on, which is good and bad, but we'll split test that. We'll do some scripted and some not, and some polished and some not. And then just take it from there. So it's kind of workflows, and you'll notice all these down here on ChatGPT is like different things to search for. Create a new page or new chat, but the main thing which I wanted to show is this. So let's have a look. I'm just going to do 2 demos in one. So first demo is showing how good the AI voice recognition and interpretation and is to capture your thoughts and also give you feedback and create things for you. So let's say I'm doing a video on, and let's have a look, on workflows and trying to find the best workflow to create a video, and let's have a look. Design a logo, create a video, design a logo, upload that to Facebook, and then create a Facebook post and a YouTube post. And then it followed on to a LinkedIn post and an Instagram post, and you can see where that's going. But if I were to sit down and just write all those out, put all the emojis in, another shortcut tip is, oh, damn it, is it, yes, it's Option, Command and Spacebar. And it's not that. It is Control, Command, Spacebar. There's the little emojis. So Control, Command, Spacebar on the Mac brings up all these little emojis. And there is a bug with Mac and the Mac update and the favorites not disappearing each time. So basically, just use an emoji a few times and then it'll save in the frequently used ones. Like I use this little ninja one a lot, so it'll keep there, and then you can just go back because it does disappear, and it's so frustrating, especially when you've gone add to favorite. Like I'll add that to favorite now and the favorites appear, but there were other ones, so it's removing from there. But this is a really cool thing. Control, Command, Space. Perfect. So all these little shortcuts, I'm going to program into the little loot deck. So let's do a little check on ChatGPT and this. Let's so I'm going to record that. Hi, Chat. I'm just wondering if you can help us. I'm doing some logo designs. I want to then video these and add them to Facebook posts and to get more attraction to my Facebook web page and my Facebook group. But also I'm going to need posts for the personal profile as well. Now, can you interlink them and add v10studios.com, which you've been doing before, create some little emojis throughout the posts, put the correct number count in, and like I say, it's v10studios.com. That's the main website. My Facebook page, which I think you've got the details for, but the Facebook page is V10 Studios, and the Facebook group is V10 Studios. So if you can create some content and put all the little emojis in, make it interesting and engaging, and do it in the different tones which are needed, or for your personal page, your business page, and your group page. Thanks a lot. Cheers, chat. Speak to you soon. So if you saw what I did there, I've not typed any of that out. Look at how it pulled it all through. It's just amazing. I've got to the point where I don't even need to reread it. I'll see what it brings back, and then I'll just show you this. So this is all live, and it is now 16:52. So it's taken me about a minute or 2 minutes to talk that through, and this is what it's bringing. But it's amazes me how quick it's. Once I've pressed send on that dictation, all those sentences and paragraphs, how quickly it actually scanned that, understood it, and then was already working on this. So here we've got the personal profile post. So, and it's mentioning the tone and stuff, which is perfect. Word count, 220 words. All right, nice, quick, short post. But how long would it have taken us to write all that out and format it, bullet point it? I still don't know how to do the markup language properly, but we'll get there and do that. So there's a shortcut for it. So now, before what it did, because I actually pasted in my Facebook business page, it hasn't created the link, but it has created the link for that, which is cool. Now, yeah, and it's not doing it for the group, but it doesn't matter. It's like those are two little things which I kind of saved on a text file and then just copy and paste them in. So that's fine, and you can even do a search, file search, but it's done the little icon, which is cool. It's made it look a bit different. So the business post logo design kit is not just a graphic; it's brand architecture. Don't you just love that? Create, come up with engaging, interesting titles, but also in a certain tone, and also authority-driven SEO where perfect. So let's just have a look. All these little things here. You see the layout and the difference, how it looks, and so on. So same there. Follow your brand and so on. Hashtags already done. It's just so nice to be able to just be in a creative flow and go, okay, all I need to do now is copy paste. But there might even be an app for that, insofar as, okay, take this content from ChatGPT and put it into a scheduler, which there is. And I'll go into that. I've already kind of done that once. I've not uploaded it and everything yet. I wanted to test this out. But basically, I was saying it took me 2 hours of talking to chat and saying, yeah, create us 50 posts, all different regarding this topic, this subject, and so on, and then schedule it. And it ended up doing me a 90-day schedule. Amazing. So it's like in a couple of hours or half a day, if just focusing on this one thing, you could have content ready to just upload to Meta, but also upload to Google as well. And then there'll be a way with Twitter and so on, and to get them posted and scheduled. So it's going to be real interesting to see where my sites actually get and what kind of traction they all start to get over these next few months. So February 2026. So interesting. So now the Facebook group, community educational engagement led, 230 word, let's talk logo strategy. So the very kind of wording there is like this kind of personal, group type chatting. And it made me think, oh my God, that is so interesting. Because normally you'll create posts from your point of view, if you will. So it's really nice to use this as an AI assistant, VR or whoever or whatever. And it's created all these little logos and stuff, segregated everything out, website again, and so on, and different hashtags. But it's also putting in your hashtag there for your website. And then there's advice, maximize algorithm react, and so on. So, and then here it's saying, if you'd like, I can now create a Facebook reel caption, short-term high hook, Facebook story. That's what we're just doing earlier today. So keeping the Facebook reels, I think it's 2 to 3 minutes or something or other, or under 10 minutes. I can't recall. I know it's short. But the stories as well, putting some pictures together. I've yet to work out though, when you're using a computer, uploading to a story, it will only let me allow me to upload one picture. So the ideal, I think, there is have 10 or so pictures set aside, have your text from here already pre-formatted, ready to copy paste, and so on. So this is what I love about this, though. It's just so phenomenal. So we'll do a quick thing here, and I'll just tell it, yeah, do all the above. So we've got Twitter, LinkedIn. Yeah, chat. This is brilliant. Can you do all the above which you've mentioned? But can you also add Pinterest and Snapchat as well? And same thing again. I've got the domain V10 Studios, and so linking back to that website, and that'll be great. Thanks. So I purposely did something else there. I purposely told it to yeah, do the above. And then I'm like, oh, yeah, like I've just remembered, can you also do this? So let's see what it brings back. Now, I've not sent it yet. So it's, in a way, it's not read this yet, but just watch how quick this is now. So click, look at that. I mean, it's nanoseconds, you know, it's like, I don't even get a chance to read it and it's already understood it, writing, bam, 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 bam. It's just brilliant. So Pinterest SEO optimized. So perfect YouTube short, real caption. So there we go. Logo design is strategy, not decoration. Nice, right? And then we're going through. We've got this little check marks and stuff, designing a logo, little artist palette there, typography testing, color psychology, layout balance. So story script. So slide 1. So in a way, for the story, it's saying 6 slides, but when you're going into creating a story, it's saying, do you want to create a picture or text? So I suppose you could just do both, and I'm going to split test that. We'll do them both. Maybe even using the exact same ones and doing both. All right, so that's interesting. YouTube short, there we go. All this already done, perfect. And it's great when you post these hashtags in the Facebook post, it actually finds it actually highlights entrepreneur groups and stuff. And I noticed on a few of them, there were like 100,000, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm on a gold mine here, because that, you know, if that starts to get some traction, that's really, really nice. You know, it's like, especially when they have all these opt-in funnels and things set up and running, that'll be really cool. Tweet thread. So there we go. Tweet it. So tweet 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. LinkedIn authority post, 280 words. That's great. Logo design is often misunderstood. So let's just go through. Pinterest post, SEO optimized, professional logo design process, branding strategy, and visual identity. I just love it. The language it's using in various contexts, either nice and simple, or a bit more corporate, or a bit more educated. You know, hey, I don't know what my IQ is, but I'm pretty sure it ain't like, I think this works at about 160 IQ. Oh, you know what? Let's just check that and just see what it mentions. If you'd like, I can create a 30-day content calendar for logo content, a high converting pinned post for Facebook, a funnel capture to capture leads from these videos, a free logo audit, opt-in script. Atomic direction will build it properly. Hi, Chat. That is amazing. So, yeah, if you can just do all of it and anything else which you think may be appropriate. Thanks. Right. So, done that. Hi, Chat. That's absolutely amazing. Yeah, if you can do all of the above and anything else which you might think is appropriate. Thanks. Press the wrong button, didn't we? Hey, it's live TV. Oh, live, whatever. Right. Empty. Once again, empty. You know, kind of thirsty work, all this chatting. To chat to ChatGPT. Why not? Absolutely awesome. So, yeah, standing desks as well. as you might notice, standing desk here, up and down, so on. In particular, for doing videos like this, I don't know, it starts to get, or doing creative work and things, it's just like, momentum, let's get momentum. Probably notice there's a lot of different tabs and things open, and it's kind of how it goes. This is all on one screen, so really, 3 screens, do you think? How many screens do you need? Just to get that workflow. There is something which I'm going to be getting actually on Friday, Saturday, order it from Amazon.